What's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys some hairstyles for young teens and tweens like me who are trying to do their hair on their own but also look older. Now these are going to be my favorite hairstyles. They're super easy and they make you look older. Now let's get started. I like to turn on my blow dryer and put my brush here and just guide it through. The next thing I like to do after my hair is thoroughly brushed out and it is all dry, I like to round the ends. I'm just going to turn on my blow dryer and aim it down, and then I'm just going to grab my hair and then slowly curve it under. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush out my hair and make sure you're also curling under the ends while you're doing it. Just like this. And you're done. The next easy hairstyle I'm going to be showing you is just an easy, simple side braid. Now, some things that you want to do is you want to make sure that it's over your shoulder with the side part. Now you want to make sure it's covering your ear but it's not tucked. Now I like to drape my hair a little bit over my forehead and cover my ear. Now if your hair isn't as long as mine and you can't really do a long braid, then you can just put it in a low ponytail about in the middle of your neck. Now you want to make sure that the back isn't all draped like this. You want to make sure that it's up and it's tight like that. The next thing that you're going to do is you are just going to basically start a braid. Now I'm doing a fishtail braid, so I'm just going to split it in half and start the braid. Now I'm almost done, and when I get done, I'm going to put in the ponytail and then I'm going to pull it wide. Now that it's all done, now I'm just going to pull it wide, and I'm just going to grab one section at a time and just pull it. Just like that. The last hairstyle I'm going to be doing is a cute, easy, twisty bun. I like doing this hairstyle when it's the last day before I wash it, and it's just really easy to do. Now I like using a side part because when I use the middle part, my cowl goes crazy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it up on my hair in a normal ponytail right here. I'm just going to put in a ponytail. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to split my ponytail in half, just like this, and then I'm going to twist them, and then I'm going to put them together like this. Now I'm going to put these two twisty braids together. Now when these two braids are together, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap it around this ponytail. Like this. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take another ponytail, put it right over. And then you're done. Thank you for watching. Make sure to give us a thumbs up if you're going to use one of these, and if this is a big help to you, make sure to share down below what one you like the best in the comments, and make sure to subscribe and check out these cool videos. See you next time. Bye guys!